Is that it? I think there's more in that bag, Harper.
Thanks, buddy.
I think there's one more little thing in that bag there. Okay, give the bags to Daddy too.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. Give it to Daddy. Oh, you found it. All gone?
Yeah.
Thank you for your help. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
Why don't you give the bags to Daddy too?
You bring the bags? Can you get all the bags? Get that one too.
No.
And that one. Good job. Can I get a big high five? Boom.
Give it to Daddy. They're all gone. Thank you.
Boom.
You guys are awesome. You guys are good at putting groceries away.
High five?
Give.
Liz, high five. Blizzard.
Hey, you're leaving Daddy hanging.
Give Daddy high five for your, thank you for your help. Boom. Good job.
What about Harper? Harper, give Kinsley high five. Hey, Kinsley, give Harper high five. Oh no.
Okay, guys.